DataTips here. So today we are going to learn about the CTEs in SQL. So what is CTE? CTE is a common table expression which is a temporary named result set that you can reference and then select and set update or delete statement. There are two types of CTEs. One is non-recursive CTE, another one is recursive CTE. So here the name recursive derived from the recursion. If you are coming from the programming background, you must be aware about the recursion. So recursion is nothing but it's just a program which calls itself to solve the similar kind of problem. So today we are going to learn about the non-recursive CTE. So let me show you by an example. To create a CTE, you need to always start it with the with keyword, with, and you can give it any name like CTE. Let's give it my CTE. You pass in some columns, ID, comma name, as start the bracket ID, comma name from. I had already created this table. Let me show you the table. This is the table which I had already created. So now on the CTE, let's select the my CTE and with semicolon, press F5 and see, it is giving you this result. Okay, so if you don't want to pass these column names, that's also fine and it will work. So if I run this, it's working. So if I change the name with CTE, any name you want to put, you can put. It works as well. So in the CTE, the idea behind passing the column is to give your columns an alias. So in this case, in the select list, I am passing ID and name. So I can give any name to these columns like ITT, comma name. Okay, so if I run this, see, the column names have been changed. So keep in mind, whatever column names you are going to give here, it will change the column name which are going to be in the select list. Also keep in mind that the number of columns that you are going to pass here should be same the number of columns in your select list. If I pass one more column like this, since in this CTE we have 3 columns but in the select list we have only 2 columns, it will throw an error. See, and the error is has 2 columns available but 3 columns specified. So that's how we create the CTE. Let me try to create CTE one more time, and this time we are going to find out the duplicate records in it using the CTE. So I'll write with CTE ID, comma name, as select ID, comma name, comma row number. Row number is a function that will assign to each of the row. So how to use it? You can use over partition by id comma name, since we are looking duplicate for the id and name both the columns, so you write both the columns, order by id. Okay, give it an alias, so this row number, give it row number from this particular table, close the bracket. Okay, so now this has been created. Let me run the CTE. Okay, let's see. So let me remove these columns and run it again. See, so I have these records having duplicates, so you can see the row number 1, 2, 3 have been assigned for these 3 duplicate records. So suppose I want to see what record this duplicate, suppose in case you have a big table and you want to know. So your goal is to be, since you have already placed the row number for all the rows, so your objective would be to find the duplicate which are having row number greater than 1. So what I'll do is where rn is greater than 1, and then I'll run this. See, I got row number 2 and row number 3. So this is the duplicate that I got. So that was it about the non-recursive CTE. We'll discuss about the recursive CTE in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.